So this is the album. As you can see, I've already taken off the little plastic thing that it came in. This is the deluxe version, and the thing is, I cried when I opened it, and I knew that was going to happen, so I opened it prior to filming this video, and I had all my emotional time, so now I'm fine to film this video. So as I said, it just came in this little plastic wrapper, and here's what it said. I don't really speak Korean. I translated this on Google and I'm learning Korean, so I'm not gonna say what this says so I don't cause any confusion, but here's a still shot if you want to maybe Google it or something. So there's that. And then this album is the deluxe version, and it came out in summer of 2016, I believe. At the time I wasn't able to get it, but now I am, so here it is. I hope this video helps someone, because I know when I was researching which version to get, these types of videos were good for me. So anyway, let's get started. So here's the front part. It has this little hollow thing, and then on the back you have your photo. I'm still. So there's a photo, and this, you want to make sure that your album has this. This means that it's real, that it wasn't copyrighted or anything. And you have in your corner the list of the songs. So it's 9 songs. Honestly, I personally don't know which one I love the most. They're all amazing. And yeah, so here's the barcode and everything. So turning back, and by the way, I'm sorry for any language mistakes. English isn't my first language. So anyway, once you open the album, you have your CD on this side, and you have the photo book with lyrics in Korean on this side. Now regarding the CD, all of the 9 songs are on it, and all you gotta do is insert it into a laptop or a computer, and you can take the songs, download them, transfer them to your other devices or whatever else you want to do with them. And this is a photo book. Now I just want to say a little disclaimer. There is a bunch of photos in here, so if you know you are still emotional or something, I don't know, but it's maybe better for you not to watch this, because I have went through this quite a few times since getting it this morning, and I still get pretty emotional. So just a quick little disclaimer. Yeah. So anyway, here is, I'm not gonna, by the way, take the CD out because it's just a normal CD just like any other, and I have long nails, so I usually get somebody from my family to take it out because I don't want to scratch it with my nails. So anyways, this is the first page, and it's these I think it has something to do with music. I don't know what that thing is called in English, but yeah, it's just what it is. And then here you have your list of songs. So all 9 songs, their names, their producer, writer, which of course we know who the writer is, and everything else you might want to know. And then when I opened it, I was really surprised because it came with this. I don't know if you can see that, and this. Now I know that this is in Korean. That's as far as I know, and that it has something to do with like being a coupon code or something, but I tried using Google Translate on it. It didn't really help much, but like I said, I think it's some sort of a coupon code. So here's what it says. But anyways, it's expired since the album came out in 2016. This is just like a little promo, I guess. SM Town, Superstar. That's pretty much all I can read. I am learning Korean though, but I've started recently, so. And this, how much I figured it out, it's like a free trial promo thing, but I think this might have expired as well anyways. So, yeah, basically, I am pretty sure that this expired. If it didn't, I don't know. Again, unaware. Anyway, back to the real thing, the album. So we've already went through that. Something that surprised me, now bear in mind that I'm not really a K-pop fan, and the only K-pop star I really listen to ever is obviously So I never really bought his albums because for me, honestly, they're a bit pricey. But since everything happened, you know, I wanted to have something materialistic as a memory. And I think that these photo books that come with his albums are exactly the perfect thing because, yeah, it's songs which were pretty much what everyone loved him for besides everything else. I don't want to get into that, but yeah. So, this surprised me. It's like a little laminated photo, and I don't know about other cultures, but in my culture, we usually keep photos like this in wallets, as like, I don't know, parents keep photos of their children or grandparents keep photos of their grandchildren. And then this is what it says on the back. You can see it. I used Google Translate to translate this again, just like the other parts, but yeah, I almost cried when I held this in my hands. Yeah, it's handwritten, so it's a bit more personal than everything else. And it could even be probably kept in a wallet. I don't know, I was about to say, I don't know if other albums have this from other artists or other albums of him, but this one does. I've ordered another 4 albums, so basically the whole collection, but they haven't arrived still, so for every, as you may know, for every song there is a theme of photos, and this is exactly what this is about. So, blank page on this side, and then a photo on this side. I don't really know about this style decision, but he looks beautiful. He looked like an angel even before he became one. That's something I always stand by. I especially love this photo. I think this might be one of my favorites. I don't know, the pink vibe, just his pink hair was one of my favorites anyways, and the whole pink vibe, just, I don't know, it's amazing. And I'm sorry for saying I don't know so many times. I don't know what's, see, I'm not quite sure what's wrong with me, but so like I said, the pink vibe, and I really like this whole pink theme. I think it suits him really well. So here's the first song, She Is, which is one of the names of the album. I know it has a few names, but it's mostly known under the name of She Is. So here is that name. And you have your lyrics in Korean, and the English parts are obviously written in English. And here's a photo. And I think that the music video for the song She is available in every country, so you can just look that up on YouTube. Oh, I love this photo as well. Look, he just looks so adorable. I don't know. Yeah. So the whole thing is like pink themed, and then we move on to this like contrasting blue and yellow, and I do think he did well. I in fact think he did amazing, and I don't know if he exists in any shape or form now, but I really hope he does, because he didn't deserve anything of what happened to him. And so I just wanted to say that, because that is my personal opinion, and I don't want to sound like I have no feelings or anything. In fact, I have a lot of feelings, and I'm just trying my best to hide them right now and not make this emotional because of everything and everyone. So I'm just trying to keep this as, I don't want to say cold, but let's say professional, even though that's not the right word either, but you know what I mean. So next song, White T-shirt, probably my favorite of the album. Again, the same thing, lyrics and everything. And then we move on to this yellow theme. Honestly, this guy could pull off any hair color, any color of clothes, anything. It's just beautiful. So, here's another photo regarding the song White T-shirt. And here comes the Skippy peanut butter saga. This was like one of my funniest things. It's something that's made me laugh even in these times. In this photo, he has a peanut butter jar in his pocket, and he's licking his finger, and I just think that's adorable. And you're gonna see why I say the saga. And here the green. Oh my god, those jeans. And that was not meant as a bad thing. I just, oh my god, he's hot. Okay, so another song. This is for the song Orbit, and you have your lyrics again, just whole theme. And then I don't quite get this photo. I think it was just a theme thing, but yeah. And here is another photo of our angel. I really like this page because this photo is just adorable. And he looks flawless, but like natural, which I don't know how to explain, but he doesn't look plastic. He just looks naturally perfect, which I really love. And it's like these two guys are chatting, chatting away, and yeah, I find that funny. So your next song, Moon. This is another one of my favorite songs. I've loved it even before I bought the album. I found it somewhere on the internet accidentally, but I fell in love with it instantly. So again, you have your lyrics and then another photo. So that's basically the whole point of the photo book is, I'm sorry for shaking the camera, I keep hitting it with my hands. So this shirt, I don't know what's going on, but I'm not complaining here. There is that. I'm trying to make sure I don't miss any pages, and I just did. And then Aurora. Honestly, when he says Aurora, I don't think there's anything more adorable that you're gonna hear. So again, the lyrics, and then we continue with the theme. Gonna bring you in a bit closer on that photo if you can see. And so this is the shirt I was talking about. Again, the theme. I'm sorry for shaking the camera, as I said. And this is also one of my most favorite photos because look at it. It's so mystical and aesthetically pleasing. And then we continue with the green saga. Honestly, his hair in this is so weird, but he just pulls it off so well. It was just so beautiful. And then I pretty much love every photo of him, but this one is also beautiful. I love these photos where his face is like really zoomed in because you can see all the imperfections he doesn't have. Or I should say didn't have, but I like staying in present because I believe that he isn't gone, even if you don't believe in afterlife or anything like that. I'm personally not even sure in what I believe. Like literally, I wake up one day thinking one thing and then another thing. But if anything, he is with us through everything he's created, and I'm just glad. I'm sure he isn't suffering anymore. If he exists, that's good. If not, at least he's not suffering. So, moving on, you have your song Dress Up, which I think this is like a little team with the song Red and the song Suit Up. I researched them a bit, and oh my god, this pink color goes so well with his pretty face. This is, like I said, probably has something to do with the song Red. And there's the song Cocktail, also one of my favorites. It just has such an amazing vibe to it. It like puts you to sleep and makes you want to jump around and scream all at the same time. Oh my god, look at that adorable scrunchy nose. Yeah, he's just so cute. So moving on. This photo is also really pretty, but I love his lips, so it's kind of not my favorite because I can't really see those. And then this, I love those pants on him though, and the red color and everything. Just gonna lift this up so you can see the face a bit better. Also, I love how thick his eyebrows are. And then we have the song Red. It's such a weird song because it's like totally classic K-pop and everything opposite, so I don't even know how to explain. Just go listen to it. And then this is the Peanut Butter Saga. I don't know what the thing was, but yeah. And this outfit is on the back cover of the album as well. And then this is probably my favorite photo because look at that. There's just so much going on in it. And look at that adorable little guy. And by the way, the song Suit Up. I'm sorry I didn't to that. So yellow. And then lastly, we're getting to the end. This is the last photo. Again, another photo that has so much going on in it that I'm not even sure what's going on here anymore, but that's it. Then you have all the credits. I love how his name is mentioned so many in this album, so many times. And we come back from where we came from, where we began from. So you get your album with your CD. You get photo and the commercials slash promo codes slash whatever this is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is my very first video unboxing. I don't know, was that a smart idea, but let me know in the comments down below if you want me to unbox the other 4 albums. I know that this isn't a new album, but I explained everything in the beginning of the video. And basically, yeah, I am sorry for rambling. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!